This is the BitCoin Roadshow, and you've got to understand that in life, fortune favors the bold, and sometimes you can prejudge things. For example, I said this girl here was a prostitute. Now, okay. So basically, this tells.
Now I look like one thing.
Yeah, I know. That's why I did it, but she's not. Honestly, the world, she's not a prostitute.
Okay, but I will become one, huh?
So that time I had to give my friend the benefit of the doubt. He's right. She ain't a hooker. I do actually feel bad, but I think I'm going to make a video about it. Because I think... let me get out of here. And oops. Oh my god. You know I'm going to clean that with my t-shirt, don't you? As soon as I get there and I have it. It's alright. It can wait. It can wait. Look, hey. What have I done? Oh fuck, was that me? No, it wasn't.
No.
Okay, good. So anyway...
Can I pay her to go home?
No, it's Christmas and Mrs. Don't be like that.
I can give her.
Honestly, she's welcome here, and she's a good person, and she's not a bad person. Please be nice to her. Anyway, this is the BitCoin Roadshow, and I want to kill you.
No, you should.
So here's what's going to happen right now. If you're a trader, and I don't give this advice very often because I don't really like to say.
Who are you talking to?
I'm doing a video. I feel I should do it. It's been a bit long overdue, and I think there's people buying in quite early. So here's what I think. If I was a betting man, I would be saying that the 2014 scenario is kind of similar here. So what you got to do is dollar cost average down to around about 1,750, which means
You know this guy?
things will never go to the same peak again. Do a little bit above. There's no point missing out on something when it starts to peak back up again, and then you're sitting there chasing a bull run, and it's fucking shit. So what you do is set it to around about 1,900 or 2,000. The low cost average down to then, go all in at that stage. Even if it does go further, doesn't matter. You're not going to miss out, and then it will raise up to new highs again. That's what happens. That's the kind of movement. You got to look at like kind of macro vision of what's going on. Anyway, it's a really short one today. Look at this beautiful view out here. Hey Richard, what's up? Shooting man, yes. So anyway, here we are. What a beautiful city. You know, I fucking hate the place. Great shitting, I always call it. Bye.